Hey there, today my boyfriend and I will be visiting the High Shoals waterfall in Georgia. We decided that we were going to check it out today after I saw it on Instagram and I wanted to see what it's all about. And hopefully, if we find something new that we like and discover, we like to share with others. So we hope you enjoyed the video. And he can be a bit of a character sometimes, so I had a few laughs. And please do not be offended by anything in the video. It's mostly jokes, and don't take it too seriously. We hope you enjoy watching the video as we did making it. It was a lot of fun, and we hope to see you in the next video. So please subscribe if you did enjoy this video and you would like to see more of our content.
Unbelievable.
We can flip the camera around as well. Okay. Hi, everybody.
That's a good filter. That doesn't look like me at all. I look real polished. Everybody, I want to let you know that I'm not anywhere near this smooth looking.
That's not true. He is cute.
Okay. I'm what I am, but I don't look like that. I know that much.
Hey guys, we are
not with me. I'm not in it. No. I don't want to be in the video.
That is his form of consent, guys. We are going to High Shoals in Georgia.
High Shoals.
High Shoals. As you can see,
you didn't even look it up.
we didn't.
What it is.
We didn't look it up yet.
You know what you're the male commentator on the Olympics from last night. I didn't know anything about any of the countries. Do some research.
I am going to look into it, okay? But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up of where we're going today. We're going to High Shoals. It's supposed to be a waterfall and a really nice park, so we're gonna film it and let you guys know.
So it's not a really nice park. It's in Paulding County, Georgia, almost 61, and it's basically what I would call a leak in the side of a hill. Dirty water.
Dirty water.
Enjoy.
Hi guys, we're here at High Shoals and we are going to check it out. Daniel, how do you feel?
I feel like I'm sitting next to a cemetery.
Oh God, yes, that is true. That is Stop. This is not Louis Vuitton. This is Louis Vuitton.
This is not what you
How do you know style?
This is LV. This is just FYI. Next time we come to the sticks.
Don't bring this back. Okay.
Next time we come to the sticks with a bunch of poor white people. Try not to look like you're a rapper. I don't want to get attacked by the good old boy club.
Okay.
Even though I'm in it, you know what I mean? I'm friends with them. Just don't tell them I'm Jewish. They don't like that. If you tell them I'm Jewish, they'll kick me right out.
Okay.
I'm undercover.
Okay.
They're not aware.
See, that's the difference. You could go undercover.
Well, until I turn sideways and they see my nose. Then they go, Jew. Oh, you're a Jew. Oh, yeah, you really is a Jew. I'm not kidding.
Oh God, that's funny.
I can't go undercover.
What?
You've heard of Clayton Bigsby, right?
I don't know who that
Dave
is.
Chappelle?
Oh.
Yeah. That's what happens when there's basically the rocks. They don't have money. They don't come see. They don't. That's called erosion. Quite a bit of erosion. If it rains, this looks like it might be a waterfall itself.
Alright.
Probably about as big as this waterfall's gonna be. This waterfall's, I think, like 30 to 50 feet max, maybe 25.
Let's go. Can't wait to see it.
It's like a faucet dripping on the side of a hill.
It is not a faucet.
Kids.
Don't be silly.
be standing back here while you approach the falls. Hopefully they don't drag you in and put you over the water. If so, I'll be running. Watch the looks like I did.
You think so? Oh, I need to remove my glasses so I can really. Oh, we're the only interracial couple here.
We should go right in the middle of the falls. It's just something to make it out.
Oh God, no. Well, look, there is a spot right there. We can sit there.
Oh wow. All right, ready to go.
Just got here.
Ready to go.
You just got here. Overall, I would say we had a nice time here. Daniel might have a bit of a different opinion than me, but I'm editing the video, so I get to put my opinion. No, but seriously, I think it was a really nice area. The only thing I would suggest is maybe don't come on like a Friday or Saturday or like a Sunday if you're somebody who don't like a lot of people, because we did have some kids and family there. I'm sure if you schedule something for like midweek or early in the week, you won't have a lot of people here, so then that way you can have the place to yourself and just have your nice time. I would recommend maybe coming with somebody, because it's a bit off the road. So but if you come yourself, just make sure you're aware of your surroundings. Nothing too crazy. The place was nice. It was welcoming to family and both like couples like ourselves that are young people and didn't have like a big family. I don't know, I would say this place was 7.5, just because I had my little whiny Daniel talking about how crowded it was. But I will say that if you came on a weekday, you won't have that much people. That way you can have the place to yourself and have your little nice date, or take yourself. Just be aware of your surroundings. Once again, if you're not a people person, the weekday might be better for you. In my opinion, the people were really nice, and even my boyfriend had a few chat with them, so it wasn't really that bad. But if you just want something for yourself or for you and your partner, I would suggest a weekday and not the weekend, as that is a popular time for people to go out there. Okay, that does it for this video, and I hope you have a wonderful time should you choose to visit this place. Thank you.